project manager with create user privileges? Yes, you heard that right. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how you can extend user management privileges for selected project manager users. Do you have a request for a specific tutorial? Comment on this video and let me know what content you want to see in the future. And be sure to subscribe to the channel to get all the instant notifications on all new video releases. Alright, let's get started. I'll be using WebCenter 20.0 today in this tutorial. However, this functionality is available in several previous versions of WebCenter with a couple limitations. I'm currently logged in and acting as John Carr with Summit Foods. John is a brand manager with a project manager license. So what exactly does a project manager license do? Basically, this allows a project manager licensed user to create and manage projects within WebCenter. John is a super user of WebCenter at Summit Foods and closely works with the system administrators daily. The system administrator is investigating having John as a backup for creating additional users on specific occasions. Although, as he is not part of the IT organizations, they do not want to grant him administrative privileges to the overall system. We can solve this by granting and enabling an additional create user privilege on his profile. So first, let's take a look at John's My WebCenter navigation section. So we can see all of the default options such as my profile and my password, but we see he doesn't have the ability to create users. So let's log into WebCenter as an administrator, then immediately navigate to the administration panel. By default, the landing page is always the user management page. What I'm going to do is search for John Carr within the search panel on the right hand side. I'm going to search by his last name. However, I could also just search by the entire user list and scroll as needed. I'm going to select John's username, navigate to his profile. The privileges are found near the bottom of the profile, so I'll scroll all the way to the bottom. I can see here that John currently has our project manager user license, which allows him to have these additional privileges. I'm going to enable the option user can create user and save his profile. All right, let's log back in as John. So I'm going to act as John at Summit Foods, log back into his profile, and now I can immediately see under the My WebCenter menu option, I have a new option for John, which is called My Users. If you have a customized menu, you may need to manually add this page back. So from here on out, what John has the ability to do is add new users on his behalf, even though he is not an administrator. So I'll just select the new user action button, and we need to add an additional user whose name is Allison Clark. So I'm going to follow the company-wide username protocol. I can add additional information as needed. Just going to give her a new user password, and I'm going to require her to change in on her first login. If I needed to provide a custom menu, I could do so. I'll select continue. I can assign her a company as needed, and then I'll click finish. Once the user has been created, John is now the owner of this new user. This allows him additional user management, such as deactivating and activating users as needed and changing a limited amount of their profile information. If I wanted to navigate to this user, I can select her username, and here you'll see that there is a limited amount of profile information John can manage from within this page. And there we have it. The core basics of granting the user type of a project manager additional user management privileges. I wouldn't recommend assigning this privilege to every project manager user within your organization, as there are many factors that may impact improper user creation. For more information, be sure to check out the official Esko WebCenter documentation. Don't forget, if you have request for a specific tutorial, comment on this video and tell me what content you want to see in the future. And be sure to hit that subscribe button to the channel to get instant notifications on all new video releases. Thanks for watching.